I'm Don Cowick.
And I'm Yvette Ivy, his wife,
We jumped the broom.
and we met through permaculture.
Yvette just received a grant on her 6 acres to,
The grant is to help us to reduce the amount of water that we use and also to change our pasture to something that uses less water, and as well as some of the grant will be used for trees and development of the property, especially in an area where we have a wash and we have a little riparian work to do.
we don't exactly know what you want in a little video, but we have a permaculture group. In fact, we have one in Farmington and one in Aztec, and we have a Seed Savers group, and we're all very interested in permaculture. Permaculture has been here since the 1990s, but a little clandestine, and it's just opening up. There are hard times here. People are losing their jobs, and it's a good time to show people that if they start growing some of their own food, their lives will improve, and they'll be less dependent or fearful of having less work or having to take work that pays less. Our group leader has a food forest in her yard. She lives on an acre. Mine is a half acre with a third fenced in, and I'm growing on half of that, although the plan will entail the entire yard when we're finished.
I have very good memories of spending time with my grandparents in a very large garden, and I'm hoping that we develop something that our grandkids will have fond memories as well. So we'd love to meet you. We follow you. We feel like you're permaculture family and friends. We are very close to Durango, Colorado, where people come from all over the world to ride the Silverton narrow gauge train and to see the Bardi Wranglers. We're also about an hour away from Mesa Verde. I know that is on your list of one of the things that you as a family wanted to see. So you're welcome to come and visit.
Even if you don't take any videos.
Some joker got lucky, stole her back again. He better come on in my kitchen. It's hard to be raining outdoors. A woman I know took for my best friend. Some joker got lucky, stole her back again. He better come on in my kitchen. It's hard to be raining outdoors. A woman I know took for my best friend. Some joker got lucky, stole her back again. He better come